Hello everybody! Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. The reason why is because my dad set me a goal. If I complete the Rubik's Cube 3 times, then I will get £100. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video, so let's get started. Cube done.
Well done.
Woohoo!
High five.
So, my good friend here is going to mess up the cube for me.
I'm sure I could do that with one hand.
Okay, so we finally messed up the cube, and let's get started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna speedrun this cube. And we done it again. Last time.
Okay, and now for the third time and £100. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Talk us through it.
So first we just need to. So first we're gonna make like a flower here. On the yellow side, so then we can like adjust everything and all that. So we just gotta turn these like, so you see how so that was here, and then you just gotta turn it upward. This one's here, and turn that. Find any other ones, this one, but this one's above here, so we're just gonna move that, and then we can push that up like that. Then we can like turn this, so that's there, and then we can turn that actually round. And we're going to turn this to here, so then these two are matching, and we can turn it round. Then we turn this one to the orange side, so it's here, and then we can turn that round, and it's on the right side. And then we're just going to move this across, and yeah, we're done. So now we got to put these stuff like in all the corners, but we gotta make sure we put them in the right ones. So we gotta line that up here, put that across, bop, bop, bop. And then we gotta find the green, put this against the green, move it across, bop, bop, bop. Then we're gonna find the rest ones here, so we gotta turn that twice, do that, and then this one's here, we gotta turn that twice, bop, 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 bop. So now we got a full side. That should be pretty straightforward. Look into more detail on like another YouTube video if you want to learn how to do the cube yourself. I'm still a beginner, so don't judge me. So we want to get this one to go here. So all we got to do is do this, bop, 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 bop. So now that's good. This one is here, and that's all we did that time round. We don't want it to have like a yellow on the top. We only do that if we don't have any others left. So we've got to get that one to go here. 10 out of 10 commentary. now. It has worked. Oh. The same thing has happened over here. So this one didn't work because this is meant to be here and this is meant to be here. So we're going to replace this one with this one. And hopefully it looks better. So if we turn that way, bop, 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 bop. Same algorithm, and we replaced it. It probably looks worse currently, but we gotta just turn this around and it should be right. So if we bop, 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 bob, 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 bob. See, it's now working. So we've now done all of this. So we've got to go onto the top, and it looks like we should do this side. So, what I remember this by is if I do for Earth. So, the way how you do that is you turn this one this way, so it's clockwise. That's for, that's and that's for Earth. No, and that's right. That's the right. Okay, I'm really good at this. So now once we've done that, we then have to do Earth, which is bop for the So we've now got this and we've progressed. So we just gotta repeat that algorithm like lots of times. So done that, done that, done that, bop, bop, bop. So now we have the fish. This is the thing we want to get. If it's not like that, then watch a tutorial. But what we're gonna do is turn this to be on the left side. So then it's not like this, because that wouldn't work. It has to be like that. So then you do this, and that's the algorithm you need to do. And we've done that. We've done this side, and we've pretty much done almost everything. So now we're on to our second to last algorithm. This algorithm features run fast clockwise. No, run towards fast. Run towards back, so we're turning the back side twice. Doesn't matter which direction. Run away, fast, anti-clockwise. Run towards back, back. And then we do that, and all side, bop, bop. We can turn this to be here. And then we are on to our last algorithm. Fight. So first we have to look, where does this need to go? It needs to go to the left, so we do fly to, that's twice, Uganda in that direction. It would be in that direction if we needed to move it that way. Left, right, but that's going down, okay? So you could say fly down to Uganda if you want to. And then you're going to do that again, but a bit differently. So you do fly to left, right, Uganda, and then bop, bop. So now we just got to repeat that, but this side's done, so we move that to the back, and we go on to this side, okay? So we got to repeat that algorithm again. So we want to move this one to go to here. So it's fly down to Uganda, left, right, fly to left, right, Uganda, bop, bop, and we have done the cube! Let's go! I did the cube!
Hey, Monkman.
Hello.
Look,
What can I do with that?
it's your £100 in cash.
Well, I can't do anything I supposed to buy anything off Amazon with that?
Oh, there's no pleasing some people.
I'm done with cubing! Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe, and if you didn't know how I actually figured out how to do the cube, well, I use this website called youcandothecube.com. There's also 2 videos on the screen, one right up here and one right up here. So go and click on either one of them, I don't care, or click on another video, your choice, goodbye.